a cat with them, man. Where we are the cat? Steam one
Steam
fish.
one piece of fish and I wanna go and beat two tune and all the vibes. You know what I say? Yeah, man.
Fish
Full
and
energy,
crackers,
man.
fish
Member
and
good
crackers.
no, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
some
man.
okra and them things the same way
Vegetables,
too.
yeah.
Yeah. Fata, you are cook Fata. Yeah. Yeah, we know you are chef from day one. Yeah.
Clean, man, like with.
Alright, Fata. Fish. Yeah.
Fish and
Good no
steam
man.
when it's only good something, you know? So
Yeah.
you start out, you know, wash them up and season with only good season.
Okay, so we are going to do steam them
Yeah.
with some crackers.
Some crackers.
Okra, you have okra?
Well, yeah, well, we'll see what now done right now. We'll see
We'll
we can
get
get
some.
some.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, we start
Alright.
anything when we start.
Same way going up. Big up yourself, no cat man. You don't know, see at your place.
Yes,
Fish, they I eat straight, you know. Lone fish, you know. Remember, you know.
And them boy get some okra for me. I look wait fast.
Yeah, it might look right.
Them boy get okra back squared up for me, yeah.
Left that alone, brother.
Yeah, brother, you don't know a real bawda cat featuring Sickapure One Life.
Left that alone,
Member
brother.
good enough.
Put that on.
So the movement entertainment.
Set me wanna think I'm in a two follow. Do me little thing just to make me little dollar. Never go to college and me don't got a scholar. One thing me know my knowledge is not shallow.
I don't know that people say, man, okra and pepper them far now, so we're going to drop them in a pot now. You see me? Make it thing look like so. You see me, go on, people? Yeah. Wow. You don't know, you know, people. Fish we say now, you don't do fish in there. If you not do okra in a pot, you look good in it, don't you? Yeah. You see me? Now, so we're natural. See them there? Celsius water crackers. Them that we using it. If you not have them in a pot, them on a steam fish, I do. That's it, eh? Can't too much to drop in your pot, you know. Excelsior water crackers, man. And day one. Remember good no people, man. Cover up your pot with crackers. You see it? Yeah. Don't know the people, so you leave on the block, you know. Go and soak it in the water, you know, a little bit. And soak it, you know. Bring off a pot. Ready. If there are no people, steam fish and crackers, you know. Crackers up on tobacco and take you make it time, you know. Mash up some steam fish and something. We are going to look one way, see me? I don't know that water can link, you know. Can't drop the catch down. People, remember, you know. Vote, like, and subscribe. That's a good thing, you know. Nah, drop the catch. People, you don't know, you know, man. So it's finished now and we're going to plate them together, you see me? So some crackers and some fishes, you know, but you don't know, you know, pot full of crackers, so we have to kind of separate them from you see?
Long time we are trying. Every day upon the slavery. Inna the street we a work, we no lazy. Me grow rough so me know about bravery. Hard life a dumpling and gravy. Bad mind me no know you no face me. The good die young but people die daily. So them wants to be fair. Kingston 13, yo Colleen. Long time we are trying.
Steam some fish at daytime and some crackers, you know. Okra and thing, you know. Yeah, man. Natural food we eat, you know. No whole heap of hardy shot.
How can I fish this?
And of them fish though, them call jack.
Say how you Jack?
This another jack radix, you know. It's a fish.
A fish? Yeah, I eat fish too.
Yeah, man. Some man say them they eat fish and swim around them.
I sea creature.
Yeah. A fish
Yeah,
we
eat
use
fish
to.
too.
That me know about.
That I know about. Me don't do fish, brother.
Yeah?
Me
sir.
can't get them boy them
I
good
sea
name.
creature, me deal with it now.
Me can't get them boy
Swimming
them
creature.
Yeah.
Man, you can't give certain man the good name fish, you know.
Yeah.
Fish good name no due to no man.
No man. I believe that.
A man do him dirty work, he go and live with him dirty work, brother. Nobody come take no fish name. That's
Yeah,
why I
yeah,
say
yeah,
fish
yeah.
is something we have to eat from day one, from youthful days, you know about fish.
Woman didn't call him dirty man. He went
But they don't call him nasty, man.
nasty man.
That's why I say, I'm not going to call man fish. When me have to catch a sea and cook and eat.
For my son.
Oh, man.
You know, you popcorn, say man. No fish in that plate.
Cause I'm a follow them little boy there and them little
Old talk.
Yeah.
Yo, none of my family now.
Nah, go around them.
You movie come now yet?
Yeah.
Man,
I'll go have his food then.
steam fish nice, man. A fatter cook.
Yeah.
Yeah, right, man. A real thing, man. Jack fish, you
That
know?
one I don't see head, you know, so I don't know how, you know.
I want to see head, brother. You see saltfish head? You ever see saltfish head? Or you eat saltfish straight? Take some, man. Take, man. Yeah, me eat them, but me not love enough like
Yeah,
that.
man. You see it, my uncle I eat out
Yeah,
of
man.
one plate,
Yeah, man, that's how we eat, man. A one family, you know?
One plate.
A one family, man. That's how we stay, man.
How do you say I eat, God?
Them say steam fish, you know.
Yeah?
Them say steam fish and crackers, them say.
You there? I'll fuck up this then, no?
Man, over sun up, me go. And when me go there, me see him come, they come see me. Yes, such man.
Such
Yeah.
man, you was such man.
Me and blacks. And we did a whole of vibes and I go and chill and I go and somewhere. And so the thing get loud up. All the fans them coming from all of the parish. Yeah, so. Me have a table, you know. And me no buy a beer put on it. But it full of beer and Heineken, Dragon, Guinness and underneath it full by the crate. And me no buy none. So
no.
everybody could have come full fill off of that table. You see what me I say? Yeah. So I saw there's no whole heap of people look and say, "Wow, becomes a star, my wife." You know me I say? People from all of the parish now, what Portland are they there now? But them not see this.
No.
And when them see the other
The
parish
out of them
people,
now.
them now I run to this man.
Yeah.
2 pitch down, 1 crate of Heineken,
Yeah.
1 crate of Dragon, you understand me?
Yeah.
So I said, oh God, brother, you think low, you think big, you know me I say? I say, yeah man. I just did and drink some Dragon and just step when I'm ready. I do even left with one in my hand, I left the crate, the man under the table, see me on the table full same way. What is them that to me? You see me I say? I just drink and feel nice and gone, brother.
Yeah.
Everything with me and just the same, and still bawda cat and just the same. You understand me? No change me, yeah. Normal settings, brother. Yeah man, so man, that looks like boy, cat go excited and dash real some friend and some company and gone pan my name and my style and my works gone pan higher level, but me is just myself. You understand me?
Real
Yeah
thing.
man, me just myself, man.
Real
My
thing.
works gone out there, brother.
Yeah,
The
man.
message them a go out.
Yeah, man.
Further and further and wider. So you see, if I saw love I go come, that not genuine, you know.
No way.
God, I love there is not for who me is, you know.
No.
True, man. If we have,
we
we can
have.
give.
Remember me
No,
tell you.
at
Yeah,
this
man.
stage,
'Cause remember
no.
me was bawda cat from day one, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but my name never gone abroad.
No.
You understand
No.
me? So my name gone abroad now, like how the words them a go.
Yeah.
You understand me? So I saw now people now I look up to me now and I say, yeah,
Right.
general, they are this, they are that. Me say, I
That's how
appreciate
some
it.
people when
Yeah.
never talk to you before, I talk
I
to you
come
now.
talk now, you understand me? I say,
Yeah,
so me I
yeah.
say, yeah, me appreciate it, you know, respect
Same
for
way,
it, cause
same
yo,
way.
uno see me as a star, but me
Yeah.
never even tell myself so me a star, you know?
Yeah.
People put me that far, and
Right.
me know say cat is a star.
Mm.
So no make nobody come tell you nothing, brother, you're a star where shine bright.
Simple.
Remember good no man. Yeah man, and me continue shine from that until now, brother. Me no stop shine. Yeah man, and me never pop down.
Definitely.
Never pop down. Me still a shine until now. So anywhere we been, we will always a shine, bro. Yeah man, no matter who come or who no come.
Yeah.
Bawda cat the light shine, and it always a shine. So if I me and my brother them, we will still be a star, and if I me and my friend them, we will still be a star. Anywhere you check it. You
Real
understand me? Cause I don't know man make me be a star. And the work so I put in. Yeah man, and the work so I put in, man. Me agree say a man might put me out to the light.
Yeah.
Just doing this camera upon me.
Yeah.
And put it out to
Yeah,
people where people
yeah.
can see it and listen about
And
it.
like
Words
it
them.
and
So
like
people
it,
get
like
to
it,
like it
yeah.
now, love it,
Yeah.
start watch it, share it
So,
with other
what you
people.
have to say about the people them will watch it and like it and share it?
More love.
Yeah.
That me have to say more love for them, brother. Yes, man.
Because within myself, me tell myself, see them people, they
And
help
them
you to
turn
reach
me
where
in
you're
a
reaching,
star,
and
yeah,
them turn
them
me in a
push me
star.
up
You know?
when me there,
Yeah.
yes. 'Cause
So,
regardless of the camera you hold for me, so.
yeah, without the fans, them and the people.
If the
them will
people
feel
them
it.
never love me and love
Yeah.
what me I do,
Yeah.
me couldn't reach where me there.
Definitely. So who forget the credit and the rating?
The people them.
Big up the people them
Member
every
good
time.
man.
And
Yeah,
that
man,
me say
that
every
people
day.
them, man.
The people
That
them.
people them
we
me talk
view
about
this,
every
we like,
time.
we love, we are with fans.
That's why
we,
I tell you every
we happy
time,
for
say,
we.
if the politician them could have just concerned about the people them, no man no lose them seat. You understand me?
No,
Yeah, but
because
after you get to certain position, you're done with the people them.
where did put you?
We put you there.
Then they no can take you down.
Then no must.
Okay.
Remember me tell you,
Alright,
so make enough man lose them position most
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
Cause you forgot where you come from. So I'm yard, me I left, but I'm yard, me dead.
At this moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that no say me nah go
You
left.
call me tell you when me there. So when you tell yourself, say, at this so me register. Mad, remember me not crippling? Oh. Man not decide say you go catch cat yassa from 6 to fucking 6.
As in car, you have to
Yes,
wait for
and
him.
still I got dead there, so no.